guys, we're back. This is the finished product right here. Got your green beans, French style green beans, homemade mashed potatoes, and the finished pork. Everything looks so delicious. About to just grub in and tear it up. You know, once again, just want to thank you for joining me on Facebook and my cooking show. Next week I might have a little guest for you, a special guest coming in to see what they can recommend and a couple nice little dishes they might want to put together. Thank you so much and see you again soon.